In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Amazon can't place order or out of stock error at checkout. Let's get started. First, refresh the product page and check the item's availability again. Sometimes stock levels change rapidly, especially for popular products, and an item can sell out between the time you add it to your cart and the time you reach checkout. If the product is out of stock, Amazon may prevent the order from being placed until inventory is replenished. Next, remove the item from your cart and add it again. This refreshes the cart data and can resolve temporary inventory synchronization issues. You should also verify that you have selected the correct product variant, such as size, color, or seller, since certain variations may no longer be available. If the item is still showing as available, check your shipping address. Some products have regional restrictions and may not be eligible for delivery to your location. Updating your shipping address or choosing a different delivery option can sometimes resolve the problem. If you are receiving a payment related error alongside the stock message, review your payment method to ensure it is valid, active, and has sufficient funds available. Trying a different payment method can also help. Another solution is to sign out of your Amazon account and sign back in. Then try placing the order again. You can also clear the browser cache and cookies and update the Amazon app to its latest version if you are using the app. In some cases, the issue may be caused by a temporary Amazon system error. If that's the case, waiting a few minutes and trying again later often resolves the problem. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.